so we are back once again for the EPCOT International Festival of the Arts. And I'm super excited because once again they brought out some amazing artwork, some outstanding performances from some Broadway stars. Very excited to see that. But there's a really interesting thing here this year. It's called a mooncake. Have you guys heard about this? We're gonna have to check it out and see what else there is going on this weekend. All right, let's go check.
Paint an amazing picture of Figment, and there is paint everywhere. You've got to see the stage.
So the Odyssey is serving as the festival showplace again this year, so we're going to go in and check out some of the merchandise and some of the artwork that's hanging out on the inside. So one of the things they have out to this year's event is a collection of posters from the park, like different poster arts.
That's right, Brandon. Walt Disney thought of his theme parks as dimensional motion pictures, so it was no accident that the main entrance to the first ever theme park, Disneyland, was designed like a theater lobby, and inside this lobby were movie posters. Like motion pictures, there's no better way to entice and excite guests with a preview of what the experience is to come than with beautiful, colorful posters. So in addition to some of the Broadway merchandise that they have here, they have the official International Festival of the Arts show merchandise for 2018. Got your tumbler. The bottom half of it. It's a note card set, and it's got several different designs. Okay. You have a piece of art that you can buy, set on your desk, as well as a little zipper bag.
You know, sometimes I like to close my eyes and imagine what it would be like if summer was here. Bees will buzz, kids will blow dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. I drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tan in summer.
So we've got our rice cake and our moon cake from the China Pavilion. So before we try the moon cake, we're gonna have some sweet coconut rice, and it's in the shape of a panda. So yeah, overall the dish itself doesn't have a lot of ingredients to it, so maybe it's in the presentation where you put in the most time. So she had a little mold that you put the rice into to make the shape of the panda, and then there was a little cutter, it looks like a paper cutter, you know, where you cut holes and things for scrapbooking, and it cuts the little face and features of your critter. Okay. I like it. Tastes exactly how you think it would. Sticky rice, a little bit of sweetness from the coconut.
All right, so here it is, the moment we've been waiting for. We're actually gonna get to try out our mooncake. Now, as I understand it, this is a little bit different than your traditional mooncake that you get in China. This is more of a gelatinous exterior as opposed to a pastry. The inside is filled with fruit and the outside toasted coconut. Now, I guess in China, these mooncakes can be filled with a whole bunch of different ingredients. For this festival, they've chosen to go with the fruit. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it is. That's different. Oh, I almost don't know what to say. It's got kind of a. I'm gonna assume one of the fruits that they put in here is like an apricot. As far as the taste, I think they have. It's a very fun dish. Yeah, I think the flavors really bounce off of each other. It's interesting. I gotta take another bite.
It's unlike anything I've ever tried before, and I don't even know how you make it.
This is just an interesting little experiment. As I understand it, traditionally, the reason that these cakes are done circular is because it's supposed to represent the family and how they all come together. So, just an interesting dish. I'm pleased with it.
As if panda rice cakes weren't enough. Panda paws. Where's all the panda merchandise?
Take us on a quick tour of all the panda merchandise.
Here's a panda. Here's another panda. This is a super cute panda. Wait, there's more. Look at that panda's face. Okay. Oh, this one's got a cookie. This one's wearing a dress. Whoa. And pandas. There's so many different pandas. Oh, dachshund. This is a panda in a rat suit. And a panda in a horse suit. Oh. Squishy pandas.
Turn around.
There's more pandas.